You're mine.
That is terrifying. This video is brought to you by the guys over at Warface. Hello everybody and welcome to the new type of Juggernaut. I'm here with my buddy Cooper, who's about to get shot up quite a bit. On his back are 3 balloons. These 3 balloons are his battery pack. This is a game mode built off of a guy in a game called Warface. So our job is to break the 3 balloons on his back, killing Cooper, and all we have are our measly weapons versus his giant M249. This should be an interesting game. So our only saving grace here is Poi. Got his red armbands on, so he's the medic. He's got a shotgun, and he's going to be the only way that we stay alive. If we get hit by Cooper, we fall to the ground, and Poi's got to come here and revive us. If Poi goes down, that's when the game becomes not a game, it becomes a slaughter. And we all die. Let's go unspook this town. Let's be careful. If you see him, make sure everybody knows that you see him, okay? Oh, there he is, bottom of the field. We gotta get to his back.
Come get it.
Okay, right side.
All the way to the back!
Guys, get around it,
Whoa!
Hello.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
Come on.
He's coming this way! He's looking left!
What's wrong, guys? Am I too strong for you?
Oh my god, this is terrifying.
Where is he? I'm stuck! Whoa! Holy crap. He's coming, Starbucks again!
Hello. You got the party mouth.
Yeah?
Hello, children. Are you scared?
Boy! Where is he?
You're mine.
Run, boy, run!
Come here, boy.
Boy, where is he? Boy, where is he?
I know you're still out here. Boy.
Ow! Hit!
Don't you want to save your friends?
He can't. Hold on a sec. Cooper, don't move. Turn around. Okay, they can break. I've weakened him! Quick, attack! No! I'm sorry!
How many are left?
Yeah, I think everyone's pretty much dead.
Cooper, we're calling the game.
All right, game over. Holy. All right, guys. Okay, game plan for this one. It worked really well last time. How we had like people up top and then some of us came around behind. We got to do that. Except this time we actually have to kill them.
Yeah, that's a great idea. Good plan.
I think that's going to be the winning plan.
Why don't we just try talking?
Just reason with him.
Reason with him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be.
Why don't we just join him?
He wasn't always. He wasn't always a
negotiate.
bloodthirsty juggernaut. At some point, he was just regular old Cooper, you know.
I'll try negotiating with him.
Okay, tell you what. You do that first. You go. You take lead, and you try negotiating.
Okay, I got this.
We'll give you some cover. Okay, you guys got the plan?
I just want to talk. Super! Hey, Super, don't shoot me. I just want to talk.
Okay, guys. Zach's gonna go in for some talk.
Super, where are you? I just want to talk. Super, I just want to talk, buddy.
Zach, go talk. Go work.
Right there, run.
What happened to talking, Zach?
Super, buddy, it's your friend Zach.
I have no friends.
Is he moving down? Starbucks! Starbucks!
I'm out of ammo.
Quick attack!
Oh shit! You got a pistol!
Hey, he's dead! He's dead! We own you now! Guys, quick! Get his technology!
We can learn! Oh no! He's a feisty! He's a feisty one!
I read the mag just stopped working. I was like, oh shit, drop it.
Well, now we know the balloons can break at least. Anyways, here's a bit of gameplay for you guys to give context to this game. If you guys are interested in trying it out, description down below has a link to the game, and if you like this gameplay, let us know in the comments section. Maybe we can do some more.
Oh crap.
Oh, big boy.
Where is he? Oh, there he is! Pew, 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 pew! The bullets do nothing! They do nothing! I forgot to reload!
Don't worry, I got flashbang.
Up, up, up! Ah! Yes. I can't see! You flashed the scooper. Well done. You flashed the sniffer. Oh, I can't aim. Oh, oh, he's reloading. Shooting him in the bum. Shoot him in the bum. Ah, he's away!
How did that not hit him? I'm confused. He's reloading.
He's reloading! Boop him! Boop him! Boop him! Ah, you're run now. Run. Get out.
I need ammo!
Nope. I need ammo too.
You've got the ammo box!
I know.
Who needs help?
Ross, come here.
The heavy gunner's looking a little low. Let me help
Ross.
him out here. He's not taking my health.
Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it.
Ah!
Finish him off
How am
with
I
a pistol.
missing? How am I
You
missing?
suck.
Ah! He sees me.
Pistol.
I
Oh,
did.
no! Do it! Do it! Do it! Boop him! Yeah!
Yeah,
Yes, boys.
Yeah!
Teamwork.
Teamwork! Yeah!
Yeah, yeah.
Get him!
I think I
Tango
found
down.
the reason why I can't aim is because I've drunk so much alcohol. So I chose sniper for some reason.
Okay, so what I learned from the last one is whoever goes through first dies, right?
Nope, I'm still alive. But...
Bad word. Just run through
Oh,
the...
no, I'm dead.
Oh,
Well,
we
can't
save you, so...
Medic.
It's alright,
Medic.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Medic.
I'm coming.
That was the medic.
Medic.
Got you.
I've got 3 seconds, mate.
Boop.
Oh, yes, boys.
I love the shotgun in this game. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Hey,
I'm dead.
So
Medic.
Medic!
Medic.
Coming.
Medic.
There is no medic.
Medic.
Ah, hold on a sec. I got it.
You're nowhere near.
Oh,
I'm
God,
just
no.
I'm just using a res coin.
You're a terrible medic.
No, I'm coming back. I got you. I just got rocketed by a guy with a rocket.
The chopper got in the way of my shot.
Fine.
Tactical chopper inbound.
Chinook.
Be back in 20 seconds. Move up, soldiers.
20 seconds. Get in.
Urgh.
Oh, good. Somebody remembered the air fresheners. The grenade-shaped air fresheners. Good, good.
Mission 3.
Anyways, that's it for this episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I really like this new mini game with the Juggernaut, and I hope you guys do too. And I actually had a great time making this video game video. If you guys like this type of content, let me know, and maybe we can do some video game videos to fill in some gaps during the week. Maybe do some Airsoft stuff and some video game stuff at the same time. So yeah, let me know down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.